So this keyboard is the Corsair Strafe Chair Mix Red switches, and in this video I'll be showing you the difference between a lubed switch with O-rings by itself, and no O-rings and not lubed. So this key is the not lubed and does not have any O-rings. Okay, so this key has the O-rings but is not lubed. And this key is lubed and has O-rings. You can't hear it, nor can you feel it, but I can promise you it feels much more smoother than without lubes, because obviously it's lubed. It just feels much more buttery smooth compared to like this, or it's just very good feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but it just feels very good. And yeah, so I'm doing a typing test on the lubes with O-rings. Yeah. Oh, how I lubed them was I got a little plastic piece, so I cut up a metal card. You can see I cut up a metal card into little pieces, like little rectangular small pieces, so I could fit into the stem and just put the loop right in. Obviously it isn't the best quality of lube. It isn't how you're supposed to lube it properly, but I didn't want to desolder it because I don't know how to. So and this was the only method. So I'll be switching over to my other microphone and I'll be doing a typing test. Okay, so let me just put the microphone down, and we'll be doing the typing test in 3, 2, 1. Words per minute. Okay, that's actually pretty fast. Anyway, I'm not too sure how to loop the stabilizers as of yet, but I think I've gotten pretty good at it because that's no loop. This is looped. The space, I mean, I'm not that good at it, and you can still hear the rattling of it, but I mean, it's pretty dampened already. The spacebar is quite hard. I'm not too sure how to get rid of the rattling altogether, as without the other keys. This is without lubes or O-rings, so you can see. It's pretty loud. Spacebar. I mean, I got pretty much gotten it really dampened, and it feels really nice to press onto, so yeah. I'm hoping to get a GMMK keyboard so I can actually open the switch and lube them, but as of right now, this is all I have, and yeah.